Hello dear learners, welcome to my channel Embrace Biota. This is the first lecture of the economic botany. In today's lecture we are going to study about important spice yielding plants. Spices की बात करें, India is known as land of spice and Kerala is called as spice bowl of the world. Black pepper is known as king of spice. And the queen is small cardamom. First spice हमारे पास है clove. Botanical name of clove is Cesium aromaticum. It belong to the family Martaceae. Spices में उनके part used बहुत important रहते हैं. The part of the clove which we used is the unopened flower bud. Indonesia is the major producer of the clove. Inflorescence in clove is cyme. The aroma and the flavor of the clove is due to the presence of eugenol and eugenyl acetate. The clove is medicinal due to the presence of eugenol. Second one is black pepper. Its botanical name is Piper nigrum. Pepper belongs to the family Piperaceae. The part of pepper which we used is fruit. The aromatic nature of the pepper is due to the piperine, S3-carine and Vita-caryophyllene. Vietnam is the largest producer of the black pepper. Inflorescence in black pepper is the pendant spike, and the fruit is popularly known as berry. Third is the cinnamon. Cinnamon को दालचीनी कहा जाता है. The botanical name is Cinnamomum barum, also Cinnamomum gelanicum. Cinnamon belongs to the family Lauraceae, and its aroma is due to the cinnamaldehyde and eugenol. The most important the part of cinnamon which we used is the dried inner bark. Inflorescence here is known as panicle. इंडोनेशिया इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ सिनेमन. इस जेनेरा का एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट स्पीसीज है विच इज सिनेमम टमाला. इट इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज तेज पत्ता. अप नेक्स्ट है जिंजर. इट्स बोटेनिकल नेम इज जिंगेवर ऑफिसिनेली, आल्सो नोन एज एमोमम जिंजीवर. इट बिलोंग्स टू द फैमिली जिंजीवेरेसी. The strong aroma and the flavor of ginger is due to the gingerol, shagol, nerol and zeranil. India is the largest exporter of the ginger. Part of ginger which we used for the medicinal purpose or as spice is the rhizome. Then we have turmeric. Turmeric is also the member of ginger family. The botanical name is Curcuma longa, Curcuma domestica or Amomum curcuma. The family is Gingiveraceae. The flavor and aroma in the turmeric is due to termirone, gingiverine and 1,8-cineol. Like ginger, the India is also the largest exporter of the turmeric, and the part used is rhizome. Inflorescence here called as spike, and the yellow color of the turmeric is due to the curcuminoid. Up next is the coriander. Coriander जिसे हम धनिया कहते हैं. Its botanical name is Coriandrum stivum. It is the member of Apiaceae family. And the important point is that the fruit here consists of the gland known as vitae. These glands secretes the oil. कोरिएंडर के ऑलमोस्ट हर पार्ट को यूज्ड किया जाता है, like the dried fruit, leaves and the seeds. The active constituent in the coriander is linalool, 2-decanol and 2-dodecanol. Coriander is the member of Umbelliferaceae family, so the inflorescence is umbel. Fruit in coriander is schizocarp. Up next is the cumin, popularly known as zira. Its botanical name is Cuminum cyminum. Like coriander, it is also the member of APAC and the inflorescence is umbel. India is the largest producer of cumin. The flavor of cumin is due to the cuminaldehyde and pyrazine. And the most important is that the cumin seed contains the petrosalinic acid. Last spice is fenugreek. Fenugreek is known as methi. Its botanical name is Trigonella fuinum graecum. Fenugreek is member of Fabaceae. India is the largest producer of fenugreek. The aroma in fenugreek is due to the sotolone. At last, the Indian Institute of Spice Research is located in Kozhikode, Kerala. This is all about today's video. If you find this video helpful, subscribe the channel. My name is Anna Sharma and thanks for watching.